So Brian, obviously there's maintenance due on a car like oil changes, and people kind of know that. But what, at different mileage markers, what are some critical things that should be done, like at 30,000, at 60,000, at 100,000?
That's a great question. And newer cars require a lot less maintenance than cars of the past, which is great for everybody. Really, it's a good thing. They're just built better. They last longer.
What's the first one I should be looking for? What mileage marker should I be at this point?
So we call them K services, 1,000-mile services.
Okay.
Right? And the European companies, people are used to getting those services done 7,500. 15,000, they're more frequent than most people will do, especially domestic car owners, and they just don't need it. 30, 60, 90.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Obviously, there's going to be something you got to do in between. Oil changes should be done.
Oh, sure. Oh, sure.
Don't wait 10,000 miles. It's not a good idea. Change it at 5. If you want the engine to last longer. The most expensive problem you can have with the car is the engine, and that happens nowadays.
And even the new synthetics, fully synthetics, you still recommend 5 every 5. Okay, that's good to know because
the last go 5.
Yeah.
Engines are 10 to 15,000 bucks anymore, and they fail. So do oil changes. It prevents almost all that. And then at 30, there really isn't much. Maybe another oil change, but keep the oil changes and tire rotations going. 60,000, you probably should consider transmission fluid.
Okay.
A lot of manufacturers don't recommend it. Some of them are calling it, not all, but some are calling it lifetime. It's good for the life of the transmission, which is true. So when the transmission quits and you have to replace it, you put new fluid in it.
Okay, I got you.
Right?
Yeah, I got you.
Right? But we
they don't say how long their lifetime's going to be, right? If
Exactly.
you don't even change it. Okay.
You want to make that lifetime a little longer?
Yeah.
Change the fluid.
Yeah, okay.
Probably once or twice in the life of the car. It's not that big of a deal, but you should do it.
What's the next big mileage marker after
90.
that?
At that point, maybe differentials. If it's a rear-wheel drive or pickup truck or something like that, all-wheel drive, it'll have a differential fluid in it. That would be done around 90. There just isn't a whole lot of maintenance nowadays.
Well, I always remember the 100,000, that's your timing belt. That's not even a thing anymore, is it?
Most cars have timing chains now.
Sure, that's crazy.
And timing chains don't have replacement intervals. If you follow the manufacturer's oil change intervals, you will probably be doing a timing chain on an interval, because timing chains are usually what the first things to go bad, and it's big bucks to put timing chains on. Change oil every 5,000 miles, you can avoid the timing chain problems.
Okay, there you go. So it's a little maintenance stuff that really matters.
It
helps you when you hit the big maintenance markers, but it's neat to know what you should be looking for when you
Yes.
hit those markers too.
Yes.
So thanks so much for sharing that with us.
Thanks,
Brian.
Randy.